Ginger is among the most beneficial and generally tasty flavors on the planet. It is stacked with supplements and bioactive intensifiers that have groundbreaking benefits for your body and mind. Here are 11 medical advantages of ginger that are bolstered by logical examination. 1. Ginger contains gingerol, a substance with amazing therapeutic properties. Ginger is a blossoming plant that began from China. It has a place with the Zingiberaceae family, and is firmly identified with turmeric, cardamom and galangal. The rhizome, underground piece of the stem, is the part regularly utilized as a zest. It is regularly called ginger root, or just ginger. Ginger has an extremely long history of utilization in different types of conventional elective medication. It has been utilized to enable assimilation, to decrease queasiness and help battle seasonal influenza and normal cold, to give some examples. Ginger can be utilized new, dried, powdered, or as an oil or squeeze, and is once in a while added to prepared nourishments and beautifying agents. It is an exceptionally normal fixing in plans. The exceptional aroma and kind of ginger originate from its characteristic oils, the most significant of which is gingerol. Gingerol is the primary bioactive compound in ginger, answerable for a lot of its therapeutic properties. It has groundbreaking calming and cancer prevention agent impacts, one trusted source. Ginger is a mainstream flavor. It is high in gingerol, a substance with incredible calming and cancer prevention agent properties. 2. Ginger can treat numerous types of queasiness, particularly morning affliction. Ginger gives off an impression of being profoundly powerful against queasiness. For instance, it has a long history of utilization as an ocean affliction cure, and there is some proof that it might be as viable as physician-endorsed drug. Ginger may likewise alleviate sickness and retching after medical procedure, and in malignant growth patients experiencing chemotherapy. Be that as it may, it might be the best with regards to pregnancy-related queasiness, for example, morning affliction. As per a survey of 12 examinations that incorporated an aggregate of 1,278 pregnant ladies, 1.1 to 1.5 grams of ginger can essentially decrease side effects of sickness. Nonetheless, ginger had no impact on retching scenes in this examination. Albeit ginger is viewed as sheltered, converse with your primary care physician before taking huge sums on the off chance that you are pregnant. Some accept that enormous sums can raise the danger of premature delivery, however there are right now no examinations to help this. Only 1 to 1.5 grams of ginger can help forestall different sorts of queasiness. This applies to the ocean affliction, chemotherapy-related queasiness, sickness after medical procedure, and morning disorder. 3. Ginger may lessen muscle torment and touchiness. Ginger has been demonstrated to be powerful against workout-prompted muscle torment. In one examination, devouring 2 grams of ginger for each day, for 11 days, fundamentally decreased muscle torment in individuals performing elbow works out. Ginger doesn't have a quick effect, yet might be viable at diminishing the everyday movement of muscle torment. These impacts are accepted to be interceded by the calming properties. Ginger has all the earmarks of being successful at decreasing the everyday movement of muscle torment, and may diminish workout-prompted muscle irritation. 4. The mitigating impacts can help with osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a typical medical issue. It includes degeneration of the joints in the body, prompting side effects like joint torment and solidness. In a controlled preliminary of 247 individuals with osteoarthritis of the knee, the individuals who took ginger concentrate had less torment and required less agony prescription. Another investigation found that a mix of ginger, mastic, cinnamon and sesame oil, can decrease torment and firmness in osteoarthritis patients when applied topically. There are a few investigations demonstrating ginger to be compelling at decreasing indications of osteoarthritis, which is a typical medical issue. 5. Ginger may definitely bring down blood sugars and improve coronary illness hazard factors. This territory of examination is moderately new, however ginger may have amazing enemy of diabetic properties. In an ongoing 2015 investigation of 41 members with type 2 diabetes, 2 grams of ginger powder every day brought down fasting glucose by 12%. It likewise drastically improved HbA1c, a marker for long-haul glucose levels, prompting a 10% decrease over a time of 12 weeks. There was likewise a 28% decrease in the ApoB-ApoAI proportion, and a 23% decrease in markers for oxidized lipoproteins. These are both significant hazard factors for coronary illness. Notwithstanding, remember this was only one little investigation. The outcomes are fantastically amazing, however they should be affirmed in bigger examinations before any suggestions can be made. Ginger has been appeared to bring down glucose levels and improve different coronary illness chance components in patients with type 2 diabetes. 6. Ginger can help treat constant acid reflux. Constant acid reflux dyspepsia is described by repetitive torment and inconvenience in the upper piece of the stomach. It is accepted that deferred exhausting of the stomach is a significant driver of acid reflux. Strikingly, ginger has been appeared to accelerate exhausting of the stomach in individuals with this condition. Subsequent to eating soup, ginger diminished the time it took for the stomach to exhaust from 16 to 12 minutes. In an investigation of 24 solid people, 1.2 grams of ginger powder before a supper quickened discharging of the stomach by 50. Ginger seems to accelerate exhausting of the stomach, which can be valuable for individuals with acid reflux and related stomach inconvenience. 7. Ginger powder may essentially diminish menstrual torment. Menstrual agony dysmenorrhea alludes to torment felt during a lady's menstrual cycle. One of the conventional employments of ginger is for help with discomfort, including menstrual torment. In one investigation, 150 ladies were told to take 1 gram of ginger powder every day, for the initial 3 days of the menstrual period. Ginger figured out how to diminish torment as successfully as the medications mefenamic corrosive and ibuprofen. Ginger seems, by all accounts, to be compelling against menstrual torment when taken toward the start of the menstrual period. 8. Ginger may bring down cholesterol levels. Significant levels of LDL lipoproteins, the awful cholesterol, are connected to an expanded danger of coronary illness. The nourishments you eat can affect LDL levels. In a 45-day investigation of 85 people with elevated cholesterol, 3 grams of ginger powder caused huge decreases in most cholesterol markers. This is bolstered by an examination in hypothyroid rodents, where ginger concentrate brought LDL cholesterol down to a comparable degree as the cholesterol bringing down medication atorvastatin. The two investigations likewise demonstrated decreases in all-out cholesterol and blood fatty substances. There is some proof, in the two creatures and people, that ginger can prompt huge decreases in LDL cholesterol and blood fatty substance levels. 9. Ginger contains a substance that may help forestall disease. Malignant growth is an intense sickness that is portrayed by uncontrolled development of unusual cells. Ginger concentrate has been concentrated as an elective treatment for a few types of malignant growth. The counter-malignant growth properties are credited to 6-gingerol, a substance that is found in huge sums in crude ginger. In an investigation of 30 people, 2 grams of ginger concentrate every day essentially decreased supportive of fiery flagging atoms in the colon. Be that as it may, a subsequent report in people at a high danger of colon malignant growth didn't affirm these discoveries. There is a few, yet restricted, proof that ginger might be viable against pancreatic malignancy, bosom disease and ovarian malignant growth. More exploration is required. Ginger contains a substance called 6-gingerol, which may have defensive impacts against malignancy. Be that as it may, this should be concentrated significantly more. 10. Ginger may improve cerebrum work and ensure against Alzheimer's infection. Oxidative pressure and constant aggravation can quicken the maturing procedure. They are accepted to be among the key drivers of Alzheimer's infection and age-related psychological decay. A few investigations in creatures recommend that the cancer prevention agents and bioactive mixes in ginger can repress provocative reactions that happen in the cerebrum. There is additionally some proof that ginger can upgrade mind work straightforwardly. In an investigation of 60 moderately aged ladies, ginger concentrate was appeared to improve response time and working memory. There are additionally various examinations in creatures demonstrating that ginger can ensure against age-related decrease in mind work. Studies propose that ginger can ensure against age-related harm to the cerebrum. It can likewise improve cerebrum work in old ladies. 11. The dynamic fixing in ginger can help battle diseases. Gingerol, the bioactive substance in new ginger, can help bring down the danger of diseases. Indeed, ginger concentrate can restrain the development of a wide range of sorts of microscopic organisms. It is exceptionally compelling against the oral microscopic organisms connected to incendiary infections in the gums, for example, gum disease and periodontitis. New ginger may likewise be successful against the RSV infection, a typical reason for respiratory contaminations.